Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, today I am going to install Juniper switch in my EVNG. Many of my subscribers were requesting me to make some videos on Juniper devices. So today I am going to install vJunas switch in my EVNG, and then in next video we'll see the basic configurations. After that definitely I will install a router, Juniper router in my EVNG, and then we'll master routing switching on Juniper devices. So without wasting our time, let's start. Right now in my EVNG, you can see I don't have any Juniper device. If I will search for Juniper, you can see I don't have Juniper router, right? I don't have Juniper switch. Okay, so to install the Juniper switch in my EVNG, first of all, I need image, and I will download image from the official website of Juniper. See, there are so many public platforms where images are available, but I will suggest you to download from the official website only. Otherwise, sometime you will get error. Okay, so to download the image, just open any browser, and in the browser browse Juniper vJunas switch download. Okay, click on this very first link, free virtual Junas OS download for labs. Click here, and here you can see the steps to download the Juniper switch. Okay, it is asking you to visit here on this vJunas router support download, vJunas switch support download. So let's click on this vJunas switch support download. It will land me on the another page. Here you can see this page is loading. Just wait for some time, and now you can see the your operating system is vJunas switch, and here is the version. So let's suppose I am going to install 23.1 version 23.1. You can install any version, right? 23.1 is more stable, and most of the things based on our configuration is same. So I'm going to download this one 23.1 version because it is stable, and you should also download this one. Otherwise you can download the latest one 24.4 as well, right? That need more RAM. Okay, but both are same only in the configuration wise, in our configuration wise, because we are downloading it for practice, right? We are going to test the configuration in EVNG. I am not going to implement it in the production, right? So I have selected the operating system, then I have selected the version, and now here you can see the image. By just clicking over here you can download it. Okay, you can see file date and release your version, and let's click on this download button. This will give you the QCOW2 file. Click on download and just wait for download. Okay, now it has landed me to the another page. See, to download the image on your local host, if you download it on your local laptop, then click here. Yes, I want to download it on my local device, so that's why I clicked here. And now you can see as soon as I clicked here, download has been started. Okay, switch is getting my laptop switch. So I am downloading it in my local laptop. So now next thing is, once you have image, now you need a software to upload it. So I already have WinSAP, and we have talked about WinSAP and EVNG setup in previous video. So if you don't have EVNG, you can set up EVNG by watching my EVNG setup video. Just search EVNG setup PM networking. You will find my EVNG setup video. Even there I have shared my on EVNG lab. So just you can import that in your laptop, in your VM. Okay, now let me do two things here. First of all, I am going to access my EVNG through SSH, and I am going to open WinSAP. So first let me SSH my EVNG through putty. If I need to run any command, then I will do that from here. One dot IP address of my EVNG is, you can see 192.168.1.201. So dot 201, port number is 22 for SSH. Enter. Username is root and password is if. So you can see I got the access to my EVNG. Now let me open WinSAP. So new site, and host name is IP address 192.168.1.201, and username is root and password is if. Let me log in. So here you can see I got the login, and if I will take you here in the OPT unit lab and add-ons and then chemo, then you can see I have lots of other devices in my EVNG like SD-WAN devices, CSR router, right, iOS router, Windows server, Windows machine. Here only I am going to add one more device, one more folder first. Now we need to check what should be the name of my folder. For that, open any browser again, and in the browser type type Juniper vJunus switch, Junus switch, and EVNG guide. EVNG, just type EVNG, it will give you the guide. Right, here is the guide for EVNG, and you can see for the Juniper switch, this should be the name of your folder, right? Folder name, EVNG folder name should be this one. Here you can replace the version. Let's say if you have 25 or 24 version, you can change the version over here. Otherwise, my version is, you can see, same 23.1. So I have downloaded 23.1 only, I think. Yes, you can see 23.1. Okay, so my folder name is going to be this one. Let me copy it and let me create one directory in chemo, new, and directory, folder name, okay, and say okay. Now folder is created. Now inside this folder I need to upload my image, switch image. So let me check the status, download status. You can see file is successfully downloaded. Now I am going to upload it in my EVNG. Here you have to, let me take you to the download section. Download, and here is my image. You can see this one. So just drag and drop. It will take some time. Okay, so till then let me pause the video, and here I can show you one more thing, the steps in the EVNG guide. Now you can see this is name of your folder, this is name of your folder, this is name of your file, download file, this is name of your download file, and you can see the required RAM, CPU, right, like vCPU is 4. Okay, console, telnet, chemo. Okay, and here you can see NIC type, and maximum interface is 11. So you need to, like, through SSH also you can create folder, right? This is the command make directory, because in the Linux you know how we create folder. Okay, so make directory under OPD, under unit lab, under add-ons, under chemo, you need to create this folder, and inside this folder check the name of your image. Name of your image is going to be this one. Okay, so I will rename it. Let me copy it first, and after that I will rename the file name, and then you need to run fix permission command. That's it. Okay, till then let me pause the video. You can see switch is successfully uploaded in my EVNG. Okay, now I need to change the name here, so go and just rename it. What should be the name? I had shown you here. Name should be this one. Let me copy it and just rename it. Okay, I have to copy this one only. This is key sensitive, so you should write the name properly. Now we need to run fix permission command. Let me copy this fix permission command and let me run on EVNG. Enter. And after this you can add Juniper switch in the EVNG. Just let me check once it will complete it. Done. Now minimize it, add node, search Juniper, and now you can see Juniper switch is there. Let me add the device. I'm leaving everything on default. Just save it and start it. Start. Click on this to access, and now you can see my device is booting. I'm booting this device for the first time. It can take some time, so just wait for some time. Till then, again, I can pause the video. Now my switch is boot up. Now we need to log in. Is root, right? You need to log in with the default credential, and default credential is root. Now you can see you got the login. So here you can just type CLI, and now you can see I got the access. To configure, we'll go in configure mode, but here you can run some verification command like so interface 1 minute does. You can see the interface status, right? Total 11 interfaces are there, I think. Okay, now this way you can also set up Juniper switch in your EVNG, and in next video I will talk about basic configuration. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. If the video was helpful for you, please hit on like button. If you are new on the channel, then please subscribe this channel. We'll meet soon in next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.